Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Are your legs feeling heavy, swollen, or completely thrashed after a workout? Welcome back. Today, we are settling the debate on the best compression boots of 2026. Whether you are an elite athlete chasing a lactic acid flush or someone battling edema and restless leg syndrome, these devices are the secret weapon for blood flow circulation. We've narrowed down the top 5 systems on the market, ranging from budget-friendly heaters to the legendary Pro Status boots used in the NBA. Stick around, because our number 1 pick has a revolutionary feature that changes the recovery game forever. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Number 5. Jay's Brain Leg Massager, the best for heat therapy. If your idea of recovery involves deep, soothing warmth, the Jay's Brain Leg Massager is your top choice. This isn't just an air compression leg massager. It's a full-on spa treatment for your lower limbs. It features a unique 3-zone heat system in the soles, calves, and knees that helps expand blood vessels and loosen tight tissue faster than cold compression alone. With 6 modes and 9 intensities, it's a top-rated gift for parents or office workers dealing with daily fatigue. While it uses a wraparound design rather than a rigid boot, the 60 to 140 millimeters of mercury pressure range provides excellent edema relief and relaxation for those on a budget. Number 4. SinCom Cordless System, the best for travel and portability for the runners and cyclists who need a leg recovery system that fits in a gym bag. The SinCom cordless boots are a high-selling standout. The magic here is the integrated power supply. You are no longer tethered to a wall outlet. These boots are completely wireless with a battery that lasts up to 4 hours. It delivers a powerful 360-degree dynamic compression up to 150 millimeters of mercury, which is serious enough for heavy-duty active recovery. If you have a specific sore spot, the customized zone massage allows you to target just the feet or just the quads, making it one of the most versatile portable compression boots available today. Number 3. Kinnear Recovery System, the best for custom sizing and fit. One of the biggest complaints with compression recovery boots is that they don't fit everyone. But the Kinnear professional device solves that perfectly. Available in specific sizes, S, M, and L, it ensures the 4-zone sequential compression hits exactly where it should. What makes this a popular choice is the built-in pressure sensor that recalibrates the pneumatic pressure based on your leg size every single time you zip up. It's FSA/HSA eligible, making it a smart, tax-free investment for lymphedema or circulation management. It's quiet, professional, and feels like a medical-grade sequential compression device without the 4-figure price tag. Number 2. Fit King Professional FT091A, the best for high-intensity recovery when you need a leg blood circulation machine that doesn't mess around. The Fit King Professional is the runner-up for a reason. This system is a lactic acid flush beast, featuring a pump that inflates 40% faster than standard models. It's built for athletes who need to bounce back for the next game. With 12 intensity levels and a massive 2,500 mAh battery, it provides that deep, milking sensation that mimics lymphatic drainage perfectly. It's rugged, comes with a high-quality carry bag, and is widely considered the best affordable pro-style boot for those who want maximum power without paying for a brand name. Number 1. Hyperice Normatec Elite, the gold standard of 2026 finally. The moment you've been waiting for, the Hyperice Normatec Elite. This is the best leg recovery system in existence. Why? Because Hyperice has finally perfected the hose-free design. There are no external tubes, no bulky control boxes, just the boots. Using patented pulse technology and HyperSync, both legs are massaged in perfect symmetry to maximize venous return. This is the only system on our list designed by an MD and PhD, using biomimicry to replicate natural muscle pumps. It's the top choice for world-class athletes because of its zone boost feature, which allows you to send an extra burst of pressure to a specific muscle group. It is the pinnacle of compression therapy. The verdict: which system wins? If you want the absolute best air compression leg massager for daily comfort and warmth, go with the JZBRAIN. For the serious athlete who travels, the SinCom or FitKing will be your best friends. But if you want the gold standard that the pros use, and you want the cleanest, hose-free setup, the Hyperice Normatec Elite is the undisputed king of right now. Thank you for watching our best compression boots reviews. We've linked all these products in the description below so you can grab the best deals. If this video helped you find your next recovery tool, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have more exciting health tech and recovery boots reviews coming your way soon.